Hey, a good day to you. This is Rain, founder of Forex 100. So today on the weekly market analysis, let's look at dollar yen. On the daily chart, what we see over here is still a bullish trend. So have you read those kind of news article like 2 weeks ago, dollar is going on a bearish trend or dollar dip because of inflation data, CPI data and stuff like that? Well, if you're, I don't know, but if you're news media who are doing like a market analysis, shouldn't the market analysis or market movement based off the daily chart and not based off this kind of retracement movement? You know, if you're looking at 4 hour, 1 hour chart, everything look bearish or bullish at a time, correct? So the best way to do is to do your own analysis so you can see the market trend and plan things out based on the way you see and time the market. Personally, I just felt that news article should revolve more in the daily chart rather than a shorter time frame. And if they're looking at a shorter time frame, they should be more specific on that, because with those kind of news headline, it can cause confusion and misleading information to newer traders. All right, so daily chart, bullish trend, end of discussion on that. All right, for our chart, what you can see over here, you can read it as a sideways movement, perfectly fine on that. You can see market as an uptrend movement. There's a bit of consolidation. Some traders might read this as a potential bullish flag pattern. I would say wait for a retracement back down, you know, after a break and close above, a confirmation and retracement back down before heading for any trade. And to the 1 hour chart, this is what we have. Zoom in version of that. Well, you can see it's so bullish. All right, so at the time they might be talking about this movement, but I don't know, based on daily chart, it look rather bullish. All right, so what you can do is scan this QR code that will let you to our student portal. Unfortunately, right now we are having a maintenance upgrade over there, but what you can do is still keeping on the URL, because we are not changing our URL anyway. But what you can do is go over our Instagram account and make sure you follow me on this Instagram account spelled RAYNLIM. All right, so I have been informed recently by friends and my students that they are fake accounts with underscore at the back. Pretty smart. The entire Instagram pretty much copy my Instagram to quite a stunning close looking, and it's really hard to unfind. The only big difference is they didn't include my company website. Guess why? All right, so one of the way is to make sure you follow me on both Instagram and Telegram, because these are the two platforms that has the most fake account of mine. No idea why is that. So you know, the best way to not get scammed by fake account is to follow the real account. That's one. The second thing is make sure that you learn the skills yourself. All right, whatever you desire to learn or to know, learn it yourself and never pass money for people to manage for you. That's the best way. All right, so let's head back to our daily chart. Let me share with you my analysis over here. On the daily chart, well, what we can see over here is a potential bearish bat pattern completing a 13839 thereabout. I don't quite like when the market has a bit of consolidation before the completion. To me, it screams so loudly that it is a warning sign. So at a minimum, wait for candlestick confirmation before engage a trade. Try not to go in and hit in, dive in an aggressive manner. Okay. To the 4 hour chart, well, what we have over here, as you can see, the godly pattern is kind of invalid. The next extension is towards the higher price, 142. That's why I'm saying that counter trend traders, don't be too anxious to hop in for a counter trend move. All right, that's one. And what we can see is trend traders can wait for the market to touch 135.58 before you head in for a buy. And of course, to the 1 hour chart, nothing much for me over here in terms of trading strategy. You can wait for it to went above and close above this high over here, 137.72, and have a retracement back down within this clutter over here. That would be great. That's pretty much I have for you today. All right, so If you know anyone that love trading, are looking for additional income and stuff like that, I've been trading for 17 years and coaching for 14 years. I believe I can be a great help to you and your friend. Drop me a note and we'll see if you're a good fit before you hop in to our program. That's all I have for you today. Till then, remember always play your trade and share plan. Take care.